So we conduct a series where we learn how small LLM models can outperform in specific domain uh, with uh, ChatGPT 4 and the latest Claude models. So we will decided to get 9 section with 40 plus concept. Okay. uh, so we start from the first section. Section number 1 is modern LLM ecosystem, where we have likely of pre-training. First, we know what is pre-training. So pre-training means training a model on billions of pair tokens from scratch. Your own widgets cost with around which is very costly. It's around 100k to 500k dollars. Then we have the second option is continuous pre-training, which have taking an existing base model and continuously training on specific domain. For example, a medical textbook chapter, but cheaper, but still need sufficient computer compute and teach the model on a few new vocabulary of fact. Then we have the third option, which is in instruction tuning. Which teaching a base model to follow instruction instead of pre-training text token. This is how ChatGPT 3 become a chat GPT requires 1k to 100k instruction response pair. Then we have the fourth option, which is fine tuning, which is more popular term, and we use full fine tuning. Everybody knows about what is fine tuning: updating all model widgets on a specific task, specific data, powerful but memory intensive, and needs a more VRAM for model gradient and plus optimization state. Then we have the fifth thing is LoRa, QLoRa, and fine tuning. Fine tuning only on a tiny section of a parameter via low rank adapters, like 90% of practical fine tuning done in this way runs on a single consumer GPU. This is what the fine tuning is. Then we have six factor, which is RL, HF, DOPO, and PPO. So alignment training teaches the model to prefer human approved response used to make model safer, more use helpful, and less toxic. DPO has largely replaced PPO for most use cases. So we have to know this. Then we have seventh, which is RAG, which is very famous nowadays. RAG is retrieved augmented generation, not training at all. Instead, we dynamically injected relevant document into the prompt at interface times. Best when your knowledge is changes frequently or it is large to fit the fits. The eighth one in agent. Agent is the LLMs that calls tools, search web, run codes, or chain calls to accomplish multi-steps task, not a training technique. It's an architecture pattern on the top of LLMs. And the ninth is prompting or the few shot, which is the prompting. Everyone want to prompt engineer, but is not sense in anymore. So prompting is guiding the model behavior through carefully crafted input text, underrated. A grapefruit prompt on a ChatGPT often beats a poor fine-tuned small model. Hello.